Let's shift focus to the commodity space. Manisha is here with what's top of mind. Manisha, good morning.
Morning, Prashant. Thank you for that. Well, I'm looking at copper because that continues to rage ahead. So even as the dollar index is trading at a one-week highs, and that has put pressure on various other commodities, whether it's energy or precious metals for that matter. But copper prices have continued to surge on. We are trading at an 11-month highs now at above $9,000 a ton. If you look at the prices in last 1 week, it has been 5% of a gain. And the previous week actually has been the best weekly gain in 2024 till now. Well, that's about LME. When you look at the Chinese copper prices, they are at a record highs of 73,000 yuan per ton there. So very strong gains coming in for this one. Well, if you look at the reports, the major Chinese smelters have talked about a very rare joint production cut going forward, and that has taken to the markets really on the weaker side when it comes to the TC prices there. Also, China is an important one because 47% of refined copper production happens in China. More than 50% of the global consumption as well happens in China, and there is so much data coming in from China in this week, which the street will watch out for. So now Chinese copper smelter production cuts would mean that the refined copper supply would get limited, and that's exactly what the markets are reacting to at this point in time. There's a report from Citi which says that they are anticipating $9,500 a ton of prices to come in as well by the end of June in this year itself. So next couple of months also are expected to be quite on the stronger side. Fund buying has moved in, so the hot money chasing fundamentals is another reason that you have seen longs being created and the prices sustaining at these higher levels as well. As I was telling you, there's so much data coming in this week. You have the US Fed meeting on 19th and 20th of March. Before that, you have the monetary policy meeting also coming in from Bank of Japan, the US manufacturing services PMI, retail sales, and the housing numbers as well are expected in this week itself. Apart from the US Fed monetary policy meeting, there are interest rate meetings from Japan, Bank of England, Australia, Brazil, Turkey and Switzerland as well. And then you also have inflation numbers coming in from UK, Canada and Japan. There also is a whole host of Chinese numbers coming in this week. You have the industrial production, retail sales, fixed asset investments, loan prime rates, and also housing data coming in from China. If you look at what the metals have done in the matter of last week and month, it has been really positive. On a week-on-week basis, best of gains coming in for copper, but on a month-on-month basis, nickel continues to outperform there. The street does believe that by the time you close second quarter, you could be looking at the metal prices 5 to 8% higher from here on as well.
Thank you very much for that.